First of all, thanks to this Reddit user for the information about this glitch. To make this glitch work, you need to have the auto hotkey program installed. So before you start doing this glitch, make sure you have this program installed in your PC. You also need the no-save AHK script. I'll cover that part in the video. Also make sure your Windows Defender is turned off because for some reason the glitch did not work for me when the Defender was turned on. Alright, first hop into GTA Online. Bring up your phone and go to the browser. Then go to Dynasty 8 Real Estate. Here you need to buy an apartment. The more expensive the apartment is, the more profit you will get from the glitch. I'm going to buy this apartment here. While buying, either choose any free apartment you have already bought or choose an empty slot. Once you are done purchasing, completely close the browser and the phone. Now open up your phone again and go back to Dynasty 8. Choose a free apartment. Now before purchasing, you need to enable no save AHK script. For that you need to download the script first. I'll put the link in the description. Once it is downloaded, double click on it, click yes if you get any prompt. Now check on your hidden taskbar icons and it should be turned on. Once you are on this purchase screen, press Ctrl and F9 together and no save will activate. Now purchase the free apartment and replace it with the apartment you bought a while ago. Once it's done, close the phone and go to storyboard. Now press Ctrl and F12 together and disable no save AHK to go back to online mode. Now the main part. Open up your phone, go to Dynasty 8 and choose a free apartment. Enable no save script, purchase it and replace it with free apartment that is going to give you money now. As you can see, the free apartment is glitched and instead of $0, it's showing you the amount of money you would get for the apartment you bought earlier. Now all you have to do is keep repeating this step. Replace the apartment, go to story mode, turn off no save HK and go back to online. Go to Dynasty 8, choose the free apartment, turn on no save HK, replace and repeat. Now do keep in mind that if you abuse it too much, you have a higher chance of getting banned, so use accordingly. As usual, thanks for watching. If the video helped, make sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. See you in the next one.